Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Sunday morning. It looks like it's going to be raining. We're going to have some rain. Calling for rain. That's alright, because I like the rain anyway. Like beautiful 67 degrees. Come out to check, see what I could find today. See what kind of stuff that I can capture on video. I hear the little critters, flying insects and stuff up in the trees and stuff. It's so glorious and beautiful in the mornings, hearing them. Late at night, you hear frogs and stuff. And, what do you call it? Daddy dids or something like that. And, stuff. Locusts, grasshoppers. And I wish people quit calling them cicadas. Why in the daylights on God's earth people mess up our English calling them cicadas? Man, call them what they are, locusts. That's almost like saying, call me a he or she or it, a pronoun. Forget that crap. Call me by what I am. I'm a man, I'm a male. And if your body is formed different than mine, then you must be a female. You know what I'm talking about. God only made two genders, male and female. He didn't make no hundreds. He didn't make no mistakes. God makes no mistakes. But anyway, that's beside the point. I love this beautiful Sunday morning. Look at that. Beautiful clouds. Overcast. Well, there's no deers out. Take a walk up the lane. It's a glorious Sunday morning. I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you do, click that like. Make sure you subscribe. I know a lot of y'all watches my videos. If you like it, and show some like and subscribe to my channel. It's not gonna hurt. You might not like one video, but the next video might be just the one that catches your attention. You never know when I'm going to record. May end up at the lake, recording a lake, or maybe a theme park, amusement park or something, or maybe downtown, or maybe record shopping. Now when I do videos on shopping, I have to do my videos when my wife's not with me. She's camera shy, so I respect her. And well, woods looks nice and quiet. No squirrels, no rabbits, no chipmunks. No deers, no turkeys, I don't even see no birds. I hear birds in the distance, but they're too far away that you can't, uh, phone can't pick up the sound. I heard one up there somewhere. I hope my camera pick that up. My wife found a house that we might go and check out in a few days. As soon as I hear from them, go to the bird. I don't know if you can see it on my camera. Anyway, there's one right up there. Two of them. Two birds. When, if and when we do go look at it, I'll make another video let y'all know what we find, what it looks like, what we decide, what our decision on it is. Here's somebody honking. Nice and quiet. Just hear birds. But it's a nice Sunday morning. Nice and quiet. Everybody's still inside drinking their Sunday morning, drinking their coffee, and I just out recording birds this morning since there's nothing else. Yeah, I'm an animal lover. I'm a nature lover. I love birds. I love wild animals. I love critters. That's what I like about that's what I love. That's why I love living in the country. Yeah, you can see squirrels and stuff in the city. But listen, you don't have this kind of stuff in the city where it's nice and quiet. Maybe a car or two on Sunday morning. In the city on Sunday morning, most time, a lot of times, it's just like any other morning. Somebody that may be in the church, I don't know. But I gotta get up here, get ready for church. Found a new church, another church that I'm decided to go to. It's right up the road, probably about 3 or 4 miles up the road from me. And I gotta get in there. I'm already dressed for church. All I gotta do is Get my daughter up and get her ready. Then we'll be on our way. I just wanted to get out here and take this quick video and see how nice and relaxing and soothing and calm morning, Sunday morning this is. The woods just capture my attention on a morning like this. So beautiful. This house my wife found. Look at that. I love the woods. It's kind of isolated of what it appears to be isolated. So it's secluded. It's supposed to be set and have privacy. So we're gonna go check it out after we get out of church. If I hear from them, where it's the exact place it's located, how to get to it, yeah, we'll get back at you later. Y'all take care and have a blessed day on this wonderful day of the Lord. Take care and God bless and see ya.